Baratang's limestone caves, 95 kilometers north of Port Blair. The journey is in two phases, Port Blair to Jirkatang 85 kilometers by road and then Nilambar jetty to Baratang Island 10 kilometers by vehicle ferry. It's a scenic 30-minute boat trip from the jetty to the caves through mangrove forest. Finally, 1 kilometer trek through the tropical dense forest to reach the limestone caves. It is highly impressive and one of a kind natural marvel on Earth. The caves feature rare stalactites, stalagmites and rock formations. These are nature's own architecture as they have been formed naturally in the Andaman Islands.